Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete the Bigo account on an iPhone. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Bigo Live app. Make sure you have already downloaded Bigo Live app on your device. So now tap on Me icon that is located on bottom right corner. It will navigate you to profile page. So here scroll down until you find help and feedback. Tap on it. Now here you can see many options on bottom. Tap on account. Now you will be seeing how to delete my Bigo account on 6th question. Expand it. Tap on I want delete account. So for the verification, tap on next. Next is to tap on the confirm and continue. We will read all the terms and conditions as well as accept that once this option becomes available and confirm the account deletion. Tap on delete account. Now in order to confirm to delete your account, again tap on delete account. So you have successfully deleted Bigo Live account on an iPhone. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.